Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to open a Halifax bank account online. To do so, first of all, open any browser you have in your device. For now, I am choosing Safari. Once you go there, search for Halifax account and hit on the first website. Now from here, choose the current account option and scroll down and select I am a new customer. Once you select that, select no and again no. Then hit on the continue. Once you hit that, a form will be appeared. Fill out this form and at last hit on the continue and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily open a Halifax bank account online. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.